And welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to be riding the King Bull, and this is the Voyager 2.0, the cargo e-bike. It is a class 2 and class 3 e-bike that has a torque sensor. This has a payload capacity of 450 pounds, as much as any e-bike out there. And let's hop on and I'll tell you what I want to talk about today. It's a change to the channel. I've decided to change the name. This will be the third time, and it's probably going to be the last time. And I thought about this. And I figured, you know, why am I named the state I'm in? I mean, it's great, but I'm not really a regional channel. I'm more of a global channel. And so I don't want to have people not wanting to watch because they think that I'm only catering to Tennessee here, and before that Oregon, when in fact I'm kind of the opposite. I mean, I do videos riding around here, and if something comes up noteworthy going on e-bike wise in Tennessee, I will definitely bring it up. But I pretty much talk about all things e-bike news wise and everything else, and so it's not really you know, tied to the state or anything. So I thought, you know, let's change the name to something that's more, might appeal more to a wider audience. And so hence the name change, and this is the very first video with the new channel name. So formerly known as Tennessee E-Biker Mark is now going to be known as Electric Bike Mark. We got a brand new logo and everything. And otherwise it's going to be the same channel. You know, we're going to do the same videos that we always do. We keep up on laws and different e-bike stories, e-bike reviews, and just riding around. And basically you see what comes your way, you know, as you go. And you kind of go from there. And so it's going to be the same channel, just with that new name and a fresh new look with the new logo. Let me know your thoughts on the new name. What do you think? It definitely fits this channel because it is definitely an electric bike channel. We don't really stray from that. Occasionally I will ride an electric scooter because I do have one, and do a few videos on the electric scooter, but for the most part it's pretty much electric bikes all the way on this channel. I don't want to really deviate from that because that's what this channel is all about. That's what you, the viewers, tuning in to watch YouTube videos. I try to keep up on all what's going on with regard to e-bikes. I don't always see everything, but I do my best to try to keep myself and then you guys informed with what I know. And so I try to stay plugged into what's going on. Tons of new bikes are always coming out. I sometimes talk about some, and if I get a bike sent to me, then I can do a review on it. And we're coming into that time of year now. We get into March here. This is when the new bikes will be coming out. And the other thing is, I'm going to crank up my speed here. Pedal assist 3. The other thing is, you, the riders out there that are watching, and depending on where you're at, you're probably just itching to get out there and ride your e-bike because you're in a state or a country that has been cold and snowy, and you know, it's not your cup of tea for riding an e-bike in those conditions. So I'm sure you're anxious to get out there, and it's getting close. I mean, baseball spring training has already begun. Go Blue Jays, go. Let's get back to the World Series and this time knock off the Dodgers. That would be awesome. But yeah, we're getting very close to the riding season if you're not already riding. Pretty much here you can ride year round for sure, but I did have that stretch of 2 weeks, which was crazy, where I did not ride. So this is the first video under the new name. As I mentioned, Electric Bike Mark. I got to get used to that. But I think it's a good name. I think it fits. The logo looks great. And we'll see what the rest of 2026 brings as far as newsworthy items. Hopefully some good news. We've had enough bad news to last us for multiple years. So we're due as e-bikers and the e-bike community for some good news. So hopefully some good things come down in the next upcoming months. We need to get some good things happening for e-bike riders and get more people out on bikes. For sure. I'm going to turn down my speed here. But yeah, today is an absolutely perfect day. Oh, definitely, probably a lot of jealous people out there. We're pushing 65 degrees right now here, so it's just absolutely perfect. I can't complain. My second video doing riding the new King Bull Voyager, and I'll tell you, I'm liking this bike. I think I like it more the second ride on the video than the first day. It feels even better today. I don't know. Getting more comfortable with it the more days you ride it. Oh, that squirrel blended right in there. I didn't even see him till the last minute, but he ran away, luckily. Don't want to run any squirrels over. All right. I haven't done any night riding. I don't do much night riding, but if I did, I'll tell you, this bike, with the bright orange that it is, would definitely show up pretty good for cars, I think, as being visible. That's a good thing about this. I do think that's a good idea with this orange. So I'm recording this video on Friday the 13th. So if you're superstitious, look out. But I'm not superstitious at all. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everyone. We're supposed to have a thunderstormy weekend, so I may be back on the green screen once again, but we'll see what Mother Nature brings us. This bike is extremely quiet. That's the other thing. All the King Bull bikes that I have, every one of them is so impressively quiet. I mean, the only real noise you hear is really if you hear the tires humming along the road a little bit, but even that's not that bad. And you might hear, if it's super quiet and, you know, not windy or anything, you might hear when you first start off a little bit the motor, but mostly for me it's just I hear the tires. And because they're fat tires, you're going to hear them more than you would hear the narrower tires. Easy for me to say. Ah, it's a beautiful day. Like I say, absolutely perfect. Anybody that is chomping at the bit to get out there and ride their e-bike, I wish I could send this weather to you. 65 degrees is perfect. Maybe slightly warmer would be okay, maybe even a little bit, but somewhere between where I'm at now and 70 would be, or maybe even 75 would be okay, but anywhere in the 65 to 75 sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, this is nice. Of course, I have a jacket on because when you ride, it is a little cooler than the actual air temperature because you got the wind generated from riding the bike, you know, that you're riding into. And yes, we stop at our stop signs here. I know I recently did a video on stopping at stop signs, and it's kind of a mixed bag, right? Some people say, oh yeah, you should be stopping at all the stop signs no matter what. And then others say they just proceed, you know, and you know, I'm okay with just stopping. It's not a big deal. It's not hard to do. And I just think it's the right thing to do. It's, like I say, it's not a big deal to me. I don't mind stopping. I'm not in a rush to get somewhere. I don't have my seat up so high that I can't balance the bike. It's all good. I got to go around these cars that are illegally parked. Technically, here in Tennessee, you cannot park in the bike lane. It's illegal, but they do it anyway. So as much as they get after e-bikes for different things, you know, and people complain about e-bikes, well, what about the violators of motor vehicles that are cars, I'm talking, that are violating right there? Nothing gets done there either, so. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. The first video on the new name of the channel, Electric Bike Mark. Hopefully you keep tuning in and watching, and tell your friends about us. We are Electric Bike Mark, and we plan on doing lots more videos. We're approaching 1,700 videos so far on the channel, and so we're getting up there. We got a lot of videos, so you can check back and see what the difference is, you know, how much it's probably gotten better over the years. I hope so. This is like I say, the debut video here on the new name, Electric Bike Mark, and we'll have lots more coming up, and I might be doing some green screens, a couple coming up in the coming days because of the weather. So but have no fear, we'll be back out here. I just don't want to be out here in thunderstorms. I don't want to put myself at danger. There's no reason to do that. One more look at the bike. Nice and shiny here in the sun. So that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, we appreciate that. Thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, maybe let me know your thoughts on the new name. Do you think it's a good name, or do you think it's too not good enough? Like, what would you have liked if me to chose for a name? I don't know. Anyway, you can leave a comment, good or bad. I can take it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Once again, thank you for joining me, and until next time, be safe, everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.